The Housing Symposium has been a joint venture between the Fairfax County Redevelopment and Housing Authority and George Mason University. We are so grateful to George Mason for hosting us here on their campus. As the Housing Symposium has grown since 2019, so has our audience. We have people here from the development community, we have advocates, we have elected officials, and we have citizens who are generally interested or want to advocate for the topic at hand. We have really worked to put together a symposium topic this year that inspires people. The theme this year was Innovate to Accelerate. And the whole idea is to help people understand what they can do around different resources, whether it be through different creative ways of financing or pulling different resources together, for example, to make housing possible.
When we took office, we had a bold goal of building 5,000 affordable housing units in the next couple decades. And very quickly, because of the work that our board did in getting affordable housing units approved, utilizing our land, utilizing our resources, stressing out the RHA with all these creative opportunities, that we were into the thousands of units already just in the past 3 years. And so just very recently, our board changed our standard to 10,000 units from 5,000 units. I mean, that is huge progress and a huge goal of 10,000 new units, and there is no doubt in my mind that we will achieve that in short order, much before the deadline that we've set for ourselves, and that's important. What I am most proud about with these unit numbers that I shared with you is if you plot them on a map of the county, these affordable housing units are everywhere in Fairfax County, and if we are really going to build high-quality affordable housing, access to opportunity, and be that progressive affordable housing community, we have to be loud and outspoken about every community needs affordable housing.
Housing, as you all know, is the foundation of our daily lives. Having a roof over your head is one of our basic human needs, and more being understood and accepted as a basic human right. I know that those of us at HUD and our partners here today share that vision.
Housing is so complicated from a financial standpoint, from a land use standpoint, from a community buy-in standpoint. So I look at these types of events as educational as well as networking. You learn a lot about how people have solved problems and what they're doing to leverage the limited resources that are available. So it's a fantastic opportunity, as evidenced by the fact that it's great turnout and a lot of energy.
Affordable housing is one of the most important foundational subject matters that we have to address as a community. Without providing a place for people to live and succeed, we can't have a vibrant economy, which we've enjoyed in Fairfax County for so many years. So finding new ways to make housing possible is one of the most important things we can do as advocates, elected officials, and general community members.